Hello there, this is Paul with Spitsbergen Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we hear all the time is how do you clean my windows? How are you going to do it? There's a lot of different methods out there that people will use, some that are not so good, some that are potentially dangerous to your glass, and then others that are tried and true and have been working for decades. The first thing that we use is called a brush and a squeegee, and it's traditional window cleaning. So you have your squeegee that's about 18 inches down to smaller ones that for little cutout windows, they call them sometimes divided panes. You have your brush that you're going to go through and agitate all the dirt off the window with. And then after you get most of the dirt off with the squeegee, most of the water off with the squeegee, you'll use a towel. We use a low lint Huck towels, recycled Huck towels, to get the details around the edges and the corners and wiping off windowsills like that. The second method is using what you see here behind me is called a purified water-fed pole system. So first you see this system down here, this thing is called a deionization tank, and it purifies the water. So the garden hose connects to one end from your spigot, comes out the other end of the tank, purified water, goes all the way up this yellow hose up to the very tippy top of this extension pole to our water-fed pole brush. This brush is a soft bristle brush, not going to hurt your glass, not going to hurt your paint. Does a beautiful job getting the dirt off the window as it agitates it and then rinses it off. And then because it's purified, it evaporates without leaving all the little spots. Works beautifully, like I said, been using it for over a decade, and the technology's probably been out for maybe close to 2 decades or so. But anyway, that's how we typically will do an exterior window cleaning. Few benefits of that. First of all, it's more thorough, because we're able to actually get more around the glass than we typically would with just a regular brush and a squeegee focusing on the glass. Secondly, it's safer because we don't have tons of ladder setups all over your house, which has a little bit more risk of somebody getting hurt. Now, of course, if you've got a reputable company, they've got workman's comp insurance, so you don't have to worry about that aspect. But thirdly is that it is actually less operator error. As human as we are, we make mistakes sometimes. So this actually reduces that even more. So I hope that answers some of your questions potentially about how the window cleaning process works. For the interior, we're going to be brushing, squeegeeing, and toweling all the time. For the outside, we can use the brush, squeegee, and towel, and then we can definitely use the purified water-fed pole system. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.